Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up the Xiaomi Home Security Camera 2i. This camera is packed with features like AI human detection, 1080p video quality, and 360-degree coverage. Let's dive right in. First, let's unbox the Xiaomi Home Security Camera 2i. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, a power adapter, a USB cable, a wall mounting bracket, and a quick start guide. Make sure all these items are included. Next, connect the USB cable to the camera and plug it into the power adapter. Plug the adapter into a power outlet. You'll notice the camera lens rotates and the LED indicator starts blinking, signaling that the camera is ready to be set up. Now, download the Mi Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 GHz network for compatibility. After selecting your Wi-Fi network, the app will prompt you to scan a QR code with the camera. Hold your phone 15 centimeters away to scan, and you'll hear a confirmation sound once connected. With the camera successfully connected, you can now adjust its settings. In the Mi Home app, you can customize options like motion detection, camera angle, and video quality. Now that the camera is set up, it's time to install it. You can place it on a flat surface or use the included wall mounting bracket to fix it to a wall or ceiling. Ensure the camera is positioned where it can provide the best coverage of the area you want to monitor. Finally, test the camera to make sure everything is working correctly. Use the Mi Home app to view the live feed, test the motion detection, and make any final adjustments.